Rahul Gandhi should get married as soon as possible, given that he's on the wrong side of 40 now?
I think it's for any individual, it's a very personal decision. We can't get into anybody's personal life saying whether he should get married or not. He's a public figure, but then he has a total different image as a personal person. So I don't think any one of us from any part of India should comment on that, whether he should marry or not.
Would you want India's future Prime Minister to remain bachelor all his life?
Till and until my Prime Minister is going to work really well for my country, I don't care if he's married or not.
Okay. And what are the most important issues that you think the Congress president touched on today? As a young Indian, what do you think concerns you the most? And
the way she's been speaking today, the way she's been telling us today, I think very much sure is that today's youth need to work on the secular policies of Congress, and I think that is going to help the youth to get a very bright future in politics, and it's a very bright future for our country if you go on the secular lines of Congress.
Okay, what are you as a young Indian doing to uphold India's secular values?
I think I, being the elected General Secretary for Maharashtra State Congress NSUI, I really feel in my state, if I start with my state, I think I'll rather ask the youth to get into politics, more and more youth into politics, with a secular line saying this, for us getting into NSUI is, we don't have to belong from any caste, any creed, we just have to be Indians, that is more important for us, and then get into politics, try to do as well, as good as you can do for your country.
Okay, the Congress president also said that the ordinary workers, grassroots workers, are not being heard by people in authority. Do you agree to what she said?
When she says something like that, it is after an experience she's saying it, after seeing the whole procedure, the way it works, it's seeing it. But then if the workers have to be heard on the top level, then it's very necessary for us to be very specific, very positive on whatever we speaking. We need to have that charisma, we need to have that talk to be at the higher level, to be heard at the higher level.
Do you agree the common worker is being ignored?
I can't say it's being ignored. I can say for a time being there are too many issues today we are sorting out. There are too many things we are sorting out. So even a single issue is left away, it is said to be that someone is ignored. So I don't think that he is ignored. I just think that there's a specific time given for each and everyone. So jab tak jiska time aayega, I think that way it will help.